Over the last several days, there has been a large number of rumors and rumor mongering regarding our issues here in the county vis-a-vis the operation that was undertaken by the EACC. What I want to tell my people of Garissa County is that is quite normal for EACC to undertake those kind of operations. In fact, what I know is that in the same day or the same days that those operations were being undertaken, there were also about 6 other counties that were also undergoing similar operations by EACC. So it's quite normal for EACC to do their job, and on our part, we will cooperate with EACC wherever such cooperation may be required from us. What really is the problem here is the extent of rumor mongering and the lies and the fabrications, particularly by the young men and women of our county, the social media. People have really gone out of their way to say things that are not only even true or far from the truth, but things that are really unwarranted. That the governor has been, his home has been raided. They Photoshop, things that are unnecessary, put them together, and put them on social media to scare people, to say things that do not really, are not even necessary. In fact, I can say almost without fear of contradiction that these young men and women of Garissa County are ashaming themselves, and indeed ashaming us as a county, because no other way in the country can such extent of lies and fabrication be told on issues that really are not there at all. So my request, my clarion call to these young men and women is to really focus on what matters. If they have to write something, let them write something which makes sense, which is the truth of them, or truths, or things that can really be seen to be logical.